Looking for new impressions, Australian bikers decided to take this route. Today, fans of road extreme visited Vladikavkaz. Despite the fact that the motocross participants didn't stay long run in the capital of North Ossetia, they were satisfied with our city.
I've been here a very short time, but it's very nice so far. I only see a small part, but it's good. It's very nice. Yeah. Oh, I ride motorcycles since I was a little boy, and I like motorcycles, and that's all. Yeah. Biker rules? Yeah, it's like I say, it's a family, right? So whenever somebody is in trouble, somebody will help you. Yeah. It doesn't matter what country, they will always help you.
It's true work to prepare the bike for a long journey. Jeff, biker with a big experience, told our crew about specific fees for such motocross.
Называется Triumph 800, то есть это не BMW. Это, кстати, озадачивало работников границы, то есть Triumph просто назывался.
And it's an adventure bike, so that means it goes on-road and it goes off-road. So I can ride down the dirt, rocky roads.
Специальный байк, который ездит как по дорогам, так и по бездорожью.
At the end of this trip, when we go to Magadan, Irkutsk to Magadan, there was 3,000 kilometers of dirt roads, so we will need the
Вот,
off-road.
от Иркутска до Магадана будет очень плохая дорога, грязь, и как раз таки этот байк хорошо пройдет эту дорогу.
For the trip,
Just several things, 2-3 things.
must check the tires, tire pressure,
Проверить давление шин сперва, проверить шины.
then all the luggage must be secure,
Все
not go anywhere.
упаковать и привязать, чтобы ничего не упало.
That was my problem this morning. This luggage was not secure, but now it is
С
good.
утра пришлось именно левый ящик укреплять, чтобы он не упал по дороге.
And on the other side, there's an oil gauge. I can see the oil level in the engine.
С другой стороны находится место, где он может проверить уровень масла и
And I must make sure my fuel tank is full. So fuel,
и, конечно,
oil,
помимо масла еще и топливный бак должен быть полностью.
and last but not least, I have my helmet.
И последнее это, конечно, шлем. Но не, конечно, это очень важный момент. Если вы видите, здесь и камера.
I have a camera, so I take movies,
Вот,
but I
снимает
must make
фильмы.
sure this is clean, so I can see where I'm
Конечно, как
going.
все байкеры, он
And
смотрит,
clean.
чтобы забрал
Very
его чисто.
important. And when that's done, I have this padding armor, same in here, boots.
Чистить сразу защищает.
The route is defined and approved, and the bike is ready for the motocross. Travelers will spend a couple of days in the Caucasus, and after that will take a course to Magadan.